Hello Year 1 students, it's your teacher here and today we are going to start Unit 6 in the farm, okay? So if you're ready, let's start. So do you see this picture? What do you see in this picture? What do you see? What is this? What are these? Who is he? What is this? What is this in this picture? What is there? This is a farm. A farm. We have animals. 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 We have a farmer. 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 So, are you ready to learn the words? Let's start. So first, we have a farmer. A farmer. A farmer. Next, we have a farm. Farm. So this is the farmhouse and this is the farm. Farm animals. Farmhouse. Farmer. Farm. And then we have a dog. A dog. Dog. And we have a cat. A cat. A cat. Dog. Cat. Dog. Cat. Next we have a sheep. A sheep. A sheep. We have a cow. 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 Sheep. Cow. We have a horse. 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 And a rabbit. A rabbit. Rabbit. We have a horse and rabbit. And we have a chicken. 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 Pig. 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 So we have a chicken and a pig. Chicken and a pig. So these are our farm animals. So we have a chicken, cat, sheep, horse, pig, dog, cow, rabbit, chicken, cat, sheep, horse, pig, dog, cow, rabbit. So now we are going to listen to the animal and you're going to guess which animal it is. So are you ready? Let's start. What animal is this? What animal? Can you guess the animal? Can you guess? Good. It's a cow. Well done. It's a cow. A cow. A cow makes these sounds, yes? A cow. Good. So, are you ready for the second animal? What animal is this? What animal is this? Good. It's a chicken. Good. Well done. A chicken makes these sounds. So, can you guess what animal this is? What animal is this? What animal is this? Can you guess? Good, it's a cat. Well done. A cat makes these noises. Good. So, let's do another one. Can you guess this animal? What animal is this? Good. It's a horse. Well done. It's a horse. Horses make these sounds. Okay, can you guess what animal this is? Good, it's a pig. Well done. Pig, well done. Okay, can you guess what animal this is? What animal is this? Good, it's a rabbit. 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 And what about this animal? What is this? What animal makes these sounds? Good, it's a dog. Well done. Okay, let's do one last one. What animal is this? What animal is this? Good, it's a sheep. Well done. It's a sheep. Well done. Good. So let's go over our animals again one more time. So we have a sheep, horse, pig, dog, cow, rabbit, chicken, and cat. And these are our farm animals. Okay, so this is the end of our lesson. So goodbye.